creatures is up in the shower. I haven't been awake that well. I've had another good night's sleep, I think. Ponytail of business in. I'm not up properly yet. I haven't been showered or anything, but when I first wake up is when I'm most productive. So I'm going to do a quick bit of silver dipping because I've decided to put some. Well, I sorted out some silver yesterday for shoestring jewelry. You can't see that. There's loads of stuff in there. And loads of stuff in here, rings and stuff. This is quite cool. And this is very in this year actually, this sort of necklace. Talk style. And it's silver. But I'm going to do a £3 post and a £5 post, I think. Let's stick that on at the £5 post. I just can't be bothered with eBaying. I put some stuff, I put some miracle brooches on. And as soon as I did at the weekend to test, and then as soon as I did it, I got watching and I'm like, I just hate eBay. I just hate the way they're fleecing sellers, and so then I just put them through Insta instead. I just didn't want to do it. Do you know what I could really do? I've got a toothbrush, so getting into the little bits, but I don't even know where that came from. It's like a real raggedy old toothbrush. None of us have ever had one like that. Where did I get that from? Yeah, I could tell you what I could do with this plastic, maybe I'll look for some online, plastic tweezers for pulling them out. These probably don't actually need a clean, to be honest. That doesn't need a clean. Nice little mother of pearly. Oh, can you see that? Can you see that? Oh, fuck it. Yeah, anyway, maybe actually some of this stuff doesn't need a clean, but I just put it in to say that I think needs a clean. Little bracelet. Give you a quick dippy do. Yeah, some of it doesn't need a clean, it's just what I am going to be putting on. Some little stars. But I just put it all in together and most of it needs a clean. A little, it says very 90s, I think. 80s, 90s, having a little gem around your neck. Some arts. Some arts. Stick that in there, you have a little buff up flower. Oh, so how is everybody's, oh, that doesn't need a go. That looks like aquamarine, doesn't it? But probably not aquamarine, probably blue topaz. How's everybody's weekends? I got bored. I'm so bored of not being like up and around properly. A little dummy charm on that. Up and around properly. Went for a walk again. Went for the first walk on Saturday, which almost killed me. I had to come back quite early and I was out of breath. I couldn't believe the state I was in. And then did another walk yesterday, which is, I'm talking literally 5 minutes there, 5 minutes back, and that's about as much as I can cope with. It's clearly to do with the operation rather than just being out of, unfit. I think it's, yeah, so I need to build up to my former glory. Build up to my half-an-hour walk. Oh, naffs, what am I meant to, oh, this isn't going to fit in my dip pot, so what am I meant to do with that? Frickin' heck. Yeah, I just got so bored yesterday, so bored and, like frustrated, and it's like, oh, read a magazine, shall I? Don't want to read a magazine. Read your book. Don't want to read my book. See this one on the telly. Don't want to look at telly. It's like, I just, fed up of it all. I want to go and be active. But, I'm feeling a bit better this morning. I think this thing's always passed. And, oh my God, these have literally come up. I'll have to show you. They've come up incredibly from a little dippy do. I've just put them in a little bath of water as well to rinse. See how clean they've come up. Incredible. Oh, I should have got an extra little clothy thing to put them on. If I've got one down here, I can then, yeah, I can use this. I can then wash afterwards. A little microfiber. So it's very acidic, obviously, silver cleaning. So try and keep everything. Well, I've even started, I didn't use to rubber glove, but I've learned, no, I need to rubber glove. I'm going to dip silver in some kind of acid This is a little silver marker seat pearl brooch. I hope I don't cock up the pearly bit in there. Some ringos. Those two are alright. Nice put that on there. A little cuff bangle with inlay. It's really onyx and mother of pearl. I got some gorgeous Art Deco style earrings, little drops, the dangalos. I love it. Oh, can you see that? Yeah, I love those. Right, so that need that. Right, I'm gonna have to figure out how to do the bigger bits. There's a little box. I've forgotten what. Oh, tell me what stone this is. Oh, he's called Dragon Glass, so I'm guessing this is Dragon Glass. This necklace. Anyway, it's been knocking around for ages. Yes, I never liked selling silver. I don't know why. Actually, I do. It's because I have to clean it. I came along to get the cleaner, and I was like, "Oh, F's, I've got to clean all that." Found this. Actually, I think this is meant to be like a testing pile as well. Oh, I'm doing that now. Cleaning and testing. Borrow. Oh yeah, I was having this, I wasn't having this conversation. Funnily enough, I was watching, well no, I had a conversation with Connie yesterday, day before yesterday, and I was saying, oh, my subs, thank you to the new subscribers that have joined. I think that is from a shout out from Caroline Mrs. M the other day on one of her lives. Welcome. And I said, oh, my subs have gone up a little bit, by about 10. I'm on 1488. I said, oh, really nice for it to be around 1500 or 1502, or just so it's 1500, be a lot neater. And then I was watching Kirsten's Curiosities yesterday. She said exactly the same. She said, well, I just got up to 1500. I thought, good, that's nice and neat. I thought, oh, it's not just me then. And then I dropped back down below again. Oh, this one hasn't come up all that actually. It's got a 95 on it. Feels like that should have come up more. Oh, my friend is. That's. My friend just has been out for a jog. She just started coming down the drive, down the pebbles, and went through the window. Right. Yeah, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to do this. Maybe if I. Oh, I know. I'm gonna have to get the creamy cleaner thing out and not dip it. That's how to do it. Not dip it. Get the creamy stuff out, unless I can brush it with a toothbrush. Let's try that. Would that work? It might. Oh yeah. This isn't a bad job. Brush it. All I am doing is brushing it over the pot with the silver dip. Oh, it's a lot quicker than getting the sponge and the pink foamy stuff out. Yeah, I saw my friend jogging the other day. Me and Connie. I text like our little chat group with her and my friends down the road and said, is everything alright? I've just seen Joanne pelting it past the window. Her husband said, yeah, she's chasing a chip band. Hello, Dana. I am on here. Do you want to say good morning? Do you know why you're embarrassed? You've got a towel on your head. I've seen you look worse. Oh, sorry. Good morning. I think this morning is definitely going to be, it's going to be quite long with me chit-chatting here, I think. Probably just upload a little chit-chat in time for tea break. This has come up a freaking beaut. Yeah, certainly not much happened at the weekend. I think I spoke to you Saturday morning. Let's put that in the bath of Rinsey. And
also, I wasn't embarrassed. I just needed to put my phone on charge.
You just need to what?
Need to put my phone on charge.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is coming up gorgeous. Oh, I'll show you I'll go up half. Oh my god, this is incredible.
It's smelly.
It is nice.
It's smelly.
What?
Smelly.
Oh, smelly. I thought you said snowing. Only got one hearing aid in because the other ear's blocked up. Can you see how that has come off beautiful? Or maybe if I put this and that. Look at the difference in the balls. Oh, can you see that? How clean.
What is it?
Well, it's silver.
Yeah,
Silver.
but what is it?
Oh, it's a torque necklace. Look at torque. Oh, right. You can't see it amazingly, but it is coming up amazing. Trust me. You looking forward to school today, Con?
No, I'm right.
No.
No.
Why are you speaking like an Australian?
I'm not meaning to.
Hmm.
I'm really not meaning to.
I think
It's
you've got
only
it
when
from,
I say...
you've been, Rose does her nose like that, doesn't she?
Yeah, it's only when I say no. No?
You just said only when I say no, Noel.
Yeah, no, yeah, I emphasise it sometimes to annoy people. No. No, it's only
Right,
when
just
I
go
say
and have your
no.
breakfast now.
But
We're
normally,
done here.
if I'm thinking about it, I don't do it. But sometimes I just do it accidentally.
I did watch 101 snacks that have changed, fast foods that have changed the nation. That's about the highlight of my weekend. Burgers were number one. But they had things on there like bananas and honey. Not really into
Can
bananas
they
or
see
honey.
me?
I don't like honey actually. Can you, yeah, just if I do that. If not, then no. Right, that's come up beautiful. I'm unsure about that ring now. I might swap it out for something. I think it needs testing. Oh, right. Yeah, so plans for the day. Get showered. Put these
Great plan.
Piss off. This is my life. Shower is the highlight of the day at the moment. So yeah, shower. Big plan. Try and do another little walk. Or two. No, one. Put this silver and something else on my Gurdaloo. I know everybody's saving their pennies for car boots and Chaz's reopening though. But let's see if, oh, this is beautiful. This is trouble. I do things like this and I go, I have to keep that. Oh, it really is something. Oh God, I'm really tempted to keep it. Try not to keep it. Try not to keep it.
When will you stop?
When will I stop what?
The YouTube.
I'm just chatting. Do you want me to stop?
Yes, please.
I'm going to stop.
Thank you
Right,
so much.
okay, let me just get my rubber gloves off so I can stop it. Unless you want to come and stop it. Oh, okay, she doesn't mind me talking as long as I'm not in the kitchen. I'll just dance around and... Is there anything else you want me to do for you?
No.
Lay down so you can put your feet on my back?
Yeah, right.
See you in a bit. Alright, kids have gone to schoolie. I haven't even seen Tom yet. I wanted to show you. Does this work, this angle? Oh, it's a bit close, isn't it? I don't know how people do top-down things, but I just want to show you some of the pewter I'm putting on today. Actually, all of the pewter that I'm putting on today. It's so gorgeous. I just wanted to share it. It's quite jewellery-based today, this chit-chat. What's that? SCA? What's SGA? Lots of different pewter. We've got lots of St. Justin. That's St. Justin. A shield. It's so beautiful. Yeah. I kind of was thinking I would end up eBaying again, but I just don't like it. So I'm going to stick these on a £5 post. I'm sure Australian jewellery. That's a SJC. They're all signed ones. MASJ is another. I think they're Canadian. Get a lot of Canadian pewter. Oh, this is appropriate, isn't it? It's a little daffodil for the time of day we're in. I can't read that though. I can't read that. This is another St. Justin. Oh, I wonder if that's amber actually. Bloody beautiful, isn't it? This is a St. Justin pendant. Oh, it does look like amber actually. Got a couple of AR Browns. AR Brown Pewter. I think AR Brown is British. It's always kind of etched in, the AR Brown. Oh, I can't really see on that. It's going to be difficult to pick up, but yeah, it's always kind of etched in. A little Froggy Wool. Oh, I love that. I love it in kind of mid-hop as well. Cat's just sort of, look at that, kind of hanging off that barrel. It's her, and that one watching. It's so beautiful. Who is that one by? Is that? I'm gonna focus. Can't see what that is. Oh, something 97. It's not St. Justin's. Can't see. Anyway, putting all of those on. Really lovely stuff. Really lovely stuff going on today. Oh, and I've got a new, well, new to me ring that when I was sorting the silver out yesterday, I gave it, oh, God, lie. Let's pick this up. Oh, it's so professional. It's professional. Yeah, I'm wearing that now. It's replaced my other, it's not amber, I think it's just glass. But that's replaced my other little amber ring I was wearing in the middle. I feel like I should get myself a Lagan look dress now and float around wearing that. I could do that. Anyway, this is just a short chit chat jewellery catch up this morning. I'll try and get it uploaded for tea break time. Have a good day, y'all. Oh my God, I don't know what's happening anymore. Sorry. Bye-bye, don't die.